Okay, so this is how you're going to set up your new Cricut machine without connecting it to the USB cord. You're going to start the same exact way. You're going to go log into your Cricut Design Space, and then you're going to hit the 3 lines, which brings up the menu. And then you're going to click on Set Up New Machine. And then you're going to select the type of machine you're trying to set up. And because my Bluetooth is connected on, you're going to want to make certain that your Cricut is turned on. And then you're going to select which one. And this is the Cricut Air 2. And it might take you just a little bit. And then you'll click Connect or Continue. And this is how you're also going to be able to calibrate your machine and any software updates that Cricut may have done. And as you can see here, it says, let's make sure you've got the latest and greatest. It's asking to update. So I'm going to click on Update. Machine is up to date, and we're going to continue. It's registered and set up. And then it's going to ask you to select a test image, and let's do the sunflower, and then you're going to click next. And this is the one thing that I really like about the Cricut Explore, is because it does give you options as to specific types of materials that you're going to be cutting. So I'm going to set it to cardstock. Then you'll load your mat. Make certain that your tools are in place. Load it correctly. And then when this arrow is flashing, that's going to tell you that it's time to load your mat. And you can see I've pushed mine. And then once the Cricut starts to flash, then you're going to know that it's ready to go. And so you're going to push the flashing Cricut, and then your machine will start to cut. And then once it gets to this point, you're going to see that test cut is complete. Your arrow will be flashing. So you'll push that, unload your mat, and then as the button states, start designing. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I would be more than happy to help you.